Mobile apps are going through a massive transformation. AI capabilities that once required mega and supercomputers, now they fit right in your pocket. And the crazy part is, the three most powerful implementations are being overlooked by 90% of developers. Why is everyone obsessed with AI in mobile apps right now? It's simple. AI promises and gives us a future where your phone actually understands what you need before you do. Think about it. Instead of you adapting to technology, AI makes technology adapt to you. It's as if your apps learn from your behavior, becoming smarter and more helpful every time you use them. That's like your best friend. You having conversation, having intuition about what you're feeling and what you're going through, and assisting you before you even ask. Now, behind the scenes, AI is becoming like that invisible engine that powers everything from how apps look to exactly how they respond to your touch. Some of the most powerful apps out there are using location, time of day, and what you are actually doing to create experiences that feel almost magical in a sense. But wait, I know you're wondering, how do these AI-powered apps actually work? Magic, right? Sprinkle a little fairy dust on magic. It's not magic. They're using technologies like machine learning that let apps learn from data instead of following just rigid robotic instructions. Things like large language models or LLMs. These things are often integrated in apps to help us use them better. Now, your favorite shopping app, for example, it doesn't just remember what you bought. It analyzes patterns across millions of purchases and activity to predict what you may want next. When you pick up that phone and you talk or you type in a chat, things are happening behind the scenes. There are natural language processing models that are working to understand your meaning in so many aspects, not just your words. This is why voice assistants, chatbots, different parts of technology and those devices are getting extremely good at understanding what you're asking for. There's a reason for that. And if we look at computer vision or processing, currently, it is revolutionizing how apps see and how they interpret the world and things around you. I'm sure you've been on a social media site. Take those photo filters that perfectly map to your face, or apps that identify objects just by pointing your camera at it. You know, that right there is AI working in real time. And it's doing so to understand visual information just like you do. We see with our eyes, we interpret certain things, or we hear and we analyze certain things as well. It's doing the same thing. Greetings. I'm so glad you're enjoying that video. I wanted to take one moment to let you know that I've created a resource for you to help you level up your web and mobile app experience. Now, this includes tips on how to actually design for these products, how to get your users to come back, and even how to retain that experience. Because we all know you can use more users to serve rather than zero who delete your app. All you have to do is click the link below and it will get delivered to your email address immediately. That's my gift to you. Now, back to the video. We're also seeing recommendation engines. They're getting smarter, they're getting faster, And with every swipe, they're starting to suggest content that feels like, well, it was handpicked just for you. Now, don't get scared. You should be excited, because what's fascinating is now that these systems are getting better and better over time, you can do so without explicitly programming them, because they're learning. And they learn from collective user behavior, making apps feel more and more almost intuitive. I know, strange to say that about technology. Now, the smartest developers are now embedding AI in almost every aspect of mobile app experiences. It's doing it from predicting the usage of battery life and optimizing the performance based on that, all the way to how you specifically in each instances use your device on a daily basis. I know, mind-blowing. Even the way you interact with certain buttons, calls to action, and different controls, it's almost as if it's personalized for you. And it's all being done directly and more specifically with AI. All of these things to know we are entering an age where AI isn't just a feature anymore. AI is becoming foundational to the use of apps and how we engage with it. Right now it's complementary, but future apps will be built around AI from day one. And with every screen and interaction, it's to learn and adapt and sort of build from that, like human behavior. The best part is that these apps will protect your privacy through techniques that let AI learn without even seeing your actual personal data. Now, this isn't about being cool with cooler new apps. It's about technology that finally works in the same way that humans do. But the question is, are you ready for it?